Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. I am super excited to bring you this video. I love polish. I see a polish, I'm like, ooh, a polish, I should buy it. No matter how many polishes I might have that look exactly like that, because I have quite a bit of polish. Lately I've been a little bit more frugal. I've been saying, hey, do I have a polish that looks like that? And if I do I really need another one? So anyways, I always watch swatch videos, because before I buy a polish, I really want to know what it looks like, because I want to love the polish that I buy. So I don't want to just like look at a picture or look at a bottle. I want to actually see how it applies and everything. So I watch a lot of swatch videos. My favorite swatchers are Kelly Marissa and Just Face 90 of 90. She also has her own polish line, 90 Lacquer. So anyways, mostly I watch Kelly Marissa. So I saw recently 2 videos where she did some polish swatches, and I thought, ooh, I love like all of the OPI Hello Kitty polishes. And then I kind of wheedled down my cart and like, now I like the Infinite Shine, so those are like $13 a bottle. However, I know where to get a sale and find them cheaper, so I don't actually ever pay retail anymore for those, but still they would have been about $5 a bottle. And I'm thinking, gosh, I think I really have polishes like most of those, so I probably didn't need a lot of them, except for they had really cute names. Do I really need a polish that has a cute name? Do I really want to buy another red just because it says it's a kiss on the cheek? No, probably not. Anyways, and then she had another video where she had some Super Chic lacquer polishes, and I don't have one like that Super Chic. And I do have Super Chic lacquer polishes. Those run about $14 a bottle. I have quite a few bottles of those. I haven't purchased in a while from them because I'm not a whole big fan of linear holographics. Yes, I love hollow, just not so much linear hollow. I like my scattered hollow and my flaky hollow. But anyways, I have figured out a way to create 2 of the polishes I saw on her channel. I mean, I just 2. Anyways, probably I could do more. But anyways, we're going to start out with 2. 2 of the polishes I saw on her channel, I figured out how to create using polishes I have. So I'm going to create 2 looks. Actually, you're going to get a bonus look because I thought, hey, what would this look like if I used this other different polish, which I totally loved. Anyways, we'll get into the video. But if you love that polish, go ahead and buy that one too if you like. But I'm going to show you how to create it using some polishes I already have in my stock. So I really hope you like the video. And if you do, I hope you will be a subscriber. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. First, I'm going to start out with a base coat. This will be applied under both looks of my nails so that hopefully it doesn't stain them. The first one you're going to see is a dupe for Shattered Mirror by Super Chic Lacquer. The first polishes that I'll be using for the first look are Para Polish, and this is Feel the Rainbow, I guess. Anyways, it is a polish that was in the Parrot Polish Party People fan group. I'll link it in the description box below. I did post a few videos where I used it in some nail art, and he did say that he still has some of these. So if you're interested in joining the fan group, then you can message David and see if he still has some of these. This one was $12 a bottle. It's just a super hollow polish. Yeah, it's a super hollow polish, and I really liked it. So anyways, I got this one. The next one I'll be using for this look is Intergalactic by Starly, and this is one of the Kelly Marissa collab collections from her first collection. I don't think I have anything yet from her second collection, but Starly last year had a really good Black Friday sale. So typically I only buy from them when they have a good sale. Their polishes run $15 a polish. So, so just knowing that how much these polishes already cost and why I'm not really into going out and spending another $14 on a polish, I'm sure you can understand. And then I'm using this Starly polish, which is called Unicorn. Now, Starly did send me a few polishes. I'm pretty sure I purchased this one. I think they sent me a different flaky polish to review. But I do love their polishes. I do have to say that. And I do love getting them on sale. Okay, so to create the look, I am going to put down the Parrot polish first. I'm going to go ahead with 2 coats to make sure that it's nice and opaque. Next, I'm going to add a coat of Intergalactic, which pretty much is a scattered hollow polish. And the last coat that I'm going to put on is Unicorn. Make sure the flakies come off. There we go. And I'd say that pretty much looks like shattered mirror to me, or a shattered glass. Loving the look. And I'm just going to add a nice top coat. I'm now going to show you a variation of that last design using a different base color. And this one is Zoya's Aspen, which is a matte velvet polish. I never pay more than $5 a bottle. Zoya has a ton of sales throughout the year, and their Black Friday sale is always 50% off. So you can stock up on Black Friday. So I do love this polish. It's got such a beautiful sparkle to it, and it looks great matte, and it also looks great with a shiny top coat. So I am going to put 2 coats of this on because it can be a little streaky, and I do want a good solid base. This polish dries relatively fast. I'm going to go ahead with the second coat. Next, I'm going to add Starly's Intergalactic to that. And then for the last step is Unicorn. Oh, my flakies don't want to come off the brush. There we go. I cannot decide which one of these 2 looks I like better. Next is the dupe for Hello Kitty Dreaming Glitter. First, I'm going to show you Rare as Rubies, which is a really beautiful polish in the bottle. I was not impressed with it on the nail at all. Rare as Rubies happens to be in kind of like a reddish base. Never really builds up, and it's pretty chunky if you try to blot it on with a makeup sponge. You try to sponge it on. Sponge it on. So I really wasn't ever all that thrilled with it. Even putting it over red, I never really cared for it. The glitter in there is pretty sparse. I'm just going to quickly show you what 3 coats of this looks like. So here's what 3 coats of this looks like with a top coat. Yeah, I don't know, those glitters just like sit there and look dark. Yeah, I'm just not fond of this one. To replicate the Hello Kitty Dream in Glitter look, I'm going to be using Zoya's Willa. And it does look like I am going to need 2 coats of Willa to become fully opaque. And now I'm going to add 1 coat of Rare as Rubies. And I think that looks pretty much exactly like the Hello Kitty topper. I'm going to top this off with a top coat. Smooth out the glitter. I'm also going to show you what it looks like with a matte top coat, and I am completely in love with this Sinful Colors matte top coat, and it's extremely rare to find. I actually found it down by my mom's house, which I'm so upset that I didn't buy more bottles of it. So I only have the 1 bottle, and nowhere in my area carries the Sinful Colors matte. These were found at Walmart. If you happen to see this at your local Walmart, I would highly recommend to grab a bottle or 2 or 3. And here it is with the matte top coat. Now we're going to do the same thing with Sinful Colors Decadent. And this should be readily available at Walmart stores everywhere. And the very best thing is it's only $2. This one does have a couple of different size glitters and a clear base. Okay, I'm going to put 1 coat of Decadent on. I really like how the glitter is different sizes in this one. So here it is with a shiny top coat. Here's what it looks like with matte top coat. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.